How to fix Pinterest search not working correctly. Let's not waste any more time and head right to it. Before we head to the video, make sure to hit the subscribe button because the channel is really small and you subscribing will really help us and motivate us to post more videos. Now let's head to the video. So there are 3 steps that you need to follow. After following all these 3 steps, your Pinterest search will work. First you have to go to your settings. Then you have to go to the apps section. Once you go to the apps section, you have to click on see all apps and then search for Pinterest. You have to make sure the storage is cleared and the cache is cleared. Make sure both of them are cleared. Once both of them are cleared, you have to go back and you have to uninstall the Pinterest app, uninstall it and then reinstall it back again. Once you uninstall and reinstall back the app, then you have to open it. The third and last step is you have to log in your account. Once you log in, you have to click on the search icon here, and this is the last step. Say you want to search for an account, Sam. Once you search on that, on the top 3 line you'll find these 3 dots. Click on that and you have to select, do you want to search videos, boards or profiles. So I want to check a profile. Click on profile and click confirm, and here you have it. Your Pinterest search problem that was not working has been solved. So if this video helped, make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.